Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best lemon verbena is probably one of the most versatile and fragrant herbs you can add to your life, offering a delightful citrusy aroma and flavor that can transform everything from culinary creations to soothing teas and even homemade beauty products, making it a must-have for any herb enthusiast seeking a touch of natural elegance and a burst of refreshing scent. Number 5. Zazzee Organic Lemon Balm Capsules. Discover the calming power of nature with our USDA Organic Lemon Balm. Each capsule is packed with a potent 10:1 extract for maximum benefit. Enjoy a generous 6-month supply with this bottle of 180 capsules. It's a convenient way to support your well-being. Our formula is completely vegan and all-natural, with no GMOs. We believe in providing you with the purest ingredients. This herbal supplement is designed to help promote a sense of calm, uplift your mood, and encourage relaxation. It's your natural ally for stress relief. We are proud to say that this product is made right here in the USA. Quality and care go into every bottle. What we like? This organic extract offers a potent way to support calm and relaxation. If you're seeking a vegan, non-GMO option for stress relief, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who prefer concentrated herbal supplements for daily wellness. What people say. The scent is incredibly refreshing and uplifting, perfect for a morning boost. It has a delicate, slightly citrusy aroma that is not overpowering. The packaging was secure and the product arrived in excellent condition. Number 4. Lemon Verbena Loose Leaf Tea. Experience the bright, zesty aroma of our premium loose leaf tea. These dried leaves offer a truly invigorating flavor. Steeped to perfection, it creates a wonderfully aromatic infusion. Enjoy its delightful citrus notes with every sip. This tea is the ideal companion after your meals. Its refreshing taste helps to cleanse the palate. Need a pick-me-up? It's also a perfect choice for a refreshing afternoon treat. Brighten your day with its lively scent. Enjoy the pure, natural scent of lemon from these carefully dried leaves. It's a simple yet luxurious indulgence. What we like? Enjoy a zesty and aromatic infusion with these loose dried leaves. Perfect for a refreshing afternoon treat or after meals, its bright lemon scent is invigorating. If you love crafting your own perfect cup and appreciate a vibrant citrus aroma, this is for you. What people say. This lemon verbena has a wonderful bright citrus scent that is very uplifting. The leaves are a good size and dry well, making them perfect for tea. I love using this in my homemade soaps, the scent really comes through. Number 3. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lemon Verbena Hand Soap Refill. Introducing Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Hand Soap Refill in a refreshing lemon verbena scent. Keep your hands clean and smelling great with this large 33 fluid ounces refill. Experience the bright and uplifting aroma of lemon verbena. It's a scent that awakens the senses and makes handwashing a more pleasant experience. This generous 33 fluid ounce refill ensures you won't run out of your favorite hand soap anytime soon. It's an economical choice for busy households. Our formula is designed to be gentle on your skin, yet effective at cleaning away dirt and grime. Enjoy soft, clean hands after every wash. Simply pour this refill into your existing Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap dispenser. It's a convenient way to keep your favorite soap readily available. Bring the essence of nature into your home with this thoughtfully crafted hand soap. It's a simple way to add a touch of freshness to your daily routine. What we like? Keep your hands clean with this large refill of refreshing hand soap. The garden-inspired scent provides a pleasant washing experience. If you're looking for a convenient way to replenish your favorite hand soap and enjoy a mild citrus fragrance, this is an excellent option. What people say. The scent is a clean, bright, and uplifting lemon, not too sweet or floral. It has a very refreshing and invigorating aroma that is perfect for a morning shower. The fragrance lingers pleasantly without being overpowering. Number 2. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lemon Verbena Laundry Detergent. Introducing Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Liquid Laundry Detergent. It's infused with the bright, uplifting scent of lemon verbena essential oils. Experience the power of nature with our essential oil infusion. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean. The delightful aroma of lemon verbena will invigorate your senses. Enjoy a burst of citrusy freshness with every wash. This convenient pack includes two 64-ounce bottles. That's plenty of detergent for all your laundry needs. With 128 loads in total, you'll have a long-lasting supply. Get powerful cleaning performance that lasts. Our formula is tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. It provides a superior clean you can trust. What we like? This laundry detergent is infused with essential oils for a delightful scent. The 2-pack offers great value for keeping your clothes fresh. If you appreciate a clean laundry scent derived from essential oils and want a convenient bulk purchase, this is a smart pick. What people say. The scent is very pleasant and refreshing, not overpowering. It has a clean, crisp fragrance that is perfect for everyday use. The packaging is also quite nice, with a simple and elegant design. Number 1. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lemon Verbena Soy Candle, 2-pack. Introducing Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lemon Verbena Soy Candle. Experience a garden-inspired aromatherapy scent that will fill your home with a refreshing aroma. This large candle is thoughtfully made with soy wax, vegetable wax, and essential oils. It's designed to provide a clean and long-lasting burn. Enjoy up to 35 hours of burn time with its lead-free wick. You can savor the delightful lemon verbena scent for an extended period. Its garden-inspired fragrance offers a light and mildly citrus aroma. It's a wonderfully refreshing scent that evokes the outdoors. Presented in a recyclable glass jar, this candle also makes for a perfect and easy gift. It's both beautiful and eco-conscious. We are proud that our products are made with cruelty-free formulas and are Leaping Bunny certified. You can feel good about using them. What we like? Experience a long-lasting, garden-inspired citrus fragrance with this soy and vegetable wax candle. It offers a clean burn for up to 35 hours. If you enjoy aromatherapy, a mild lemon verbena scent, and a candle that burns beautifully, this is a wonderful addition to your home. What people say. The scent is very pleasant and refreshing, perfect for a calming atmosphere. It has a lovely floral aroma that is not overpowering, making it suitable for everyday use. The packaging is elegant and makes it a great gift option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.